Good evening, everyone. I hope you're having a terrific Tuesday, and I hope you were able to find a little bit of relief from that heat out there. We've been sounding like a broken record here, talking about the extreme heat for a couple weeks now, and that's still going to stick around the next few days in our forecast. In fact, today we reached a high of 87 degrees at the airport. Now our low is actually 50 degrees, which is climatologically about where we should be for this time of year. But those high temperatures are well above average. Now across the region, we're still hanging on to those 80-degree temperatures. We have 83 degrees in Tallahassee and 82 degrees in Quincy and also in Bainbridge. Along the coast, it's a little cooler because the Gulf of Mexico is still relatively cool, about upper 60s to low 70s, so that sea breeze is cooling things off right along the coast. Now our relative humidity, we actually have a lot to talk about with our relative humidity because it's a good thing and it's also a bad thing right now. The good side to this is that our relative humidity is very low, so it's not quite muggy or sticky outside. It makes the heat just a little bit more bearable. However, the bad news with these low relative humidities in the 20s and even the 30s, 33% there in Bainbridge, is that it's not helping our fire danger. We do have a red flag warning in effect for tonight, and we already have 2 fires burning. You may have noticed the smoke last night and early this morning. There's a fire in southwest Leon County and also in Gulf County, and that smoke is again going to make its presence known here in Tallahassee overnight tonight. Winds across the region are beginning to die down as we lose some of the heating of the day. Just 6 miles per hour is a pretty common number here across the region, but again, as those winds settle, it kind of creates a pocket for the smoke to just settle down over top of our area. So we're talking about some very low visibilities again overnight tonight. It also could cause some problems if you have allergies or even some asthma. Now our satellite and radar is not showing much in the way of clouds, in fact nothing at all, and no rainfall either to help fight those fires. So again, that smoke danger is not only a threat for tonight but also for Wednesday and potentially even into Thursday night. And our futurecast shows that high pressure that's sitting over the southeast right now is just suppressing any rainfall activity across the state of Florida. You do see a slight chance of just a few sprinkles, but that'll be very isolated, just a little bit in the afternoon, perhaps a pop-up shower here and there, but not much in the way of any relief from the hot temperatures, from the smoke, and also from the pollen. The pollen is a big story, definitely a culprit that has been causing a lot of issues for people with allergies across the region. So for tonight, 55 degrees, that widespread smoke again. If you're heading out tomorrow morning, give yourself a little bit of extra time and also space between the car in front of you and your car. You also might want to slow down just a little bit and use those low beams to help out with the visibility. But by the time that smoke clears for tomorrow morning, another warm day, 86 degrees, definitely going to be another scorcher. And our 7-day forecast, well, it's pretty much a carbon copy each day to the next. Those rain chances do creep back into the forecast by the weekend, but again, very slight 30% chance, just an isolated pop-up shower here and there.